You know, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah, 200.
Yeah. Dropped out of school, now we done rich. This sound like some 4301 shit. All my niggas wanna do is pop.
No more. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, but I like to party. Touch, but I got nobody here on my own. I wanna but I'm broken hearted. Cry, since the day we parted. Touch, but I got nobody, so I do it. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on these lonely nights. I love you, baby, trust me when I say. Es mi vida, bam bam. Es mi vida, bam bam. Si mi nombre te suena por ahí, todo esto solita conseguí. Si quiero más, lo pido solo hoy. Y si se acaba, a mí no me da temor. Si me siento a veces. No past, doing it all night, all summer, doing it the way I wanna. I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Dum da dum da 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 dum da dum da 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 dum da dum da da da.
So here's how you make Ferrero Rocher at home. Into a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of Nutella along with 1 tablespoon of ground hazelnuts and mix well until combined. Then place into a freezer to harden slightly for 1 hour. The mixture can now be rolled into balls. Use wet hands and shape them as small or as large as you want. Bury 1 whole hazelnut into the middle and roll again. Place in the freezer again for 10 minutes. Onto a plate, place 1 cup of crushed ice cream wafers and roll the balls until they're coated. Now place milk chocolate into a jug and melt in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir and add in half a cup of chopped hazelnuts. Mix well again and finally dip your balls into the melted chocolate and leave to set in the fridge for 10 minutes. Then all you have to do is get stuck into these bad boys.